Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn a vitamin bottle into a light. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a drill and obviously a drill bit. This is kind of an experimental thing that I'm doing, and you're going to want some LED strip, the real cheap one from Five Below. You could do this differently. You could physically add in a regular light, but I prefer the LED. They don't take up that much and all that. And I'm not an electrician, so I don't want to show something that could be a little bit, let's just say, not safe. So this is your best bet. So you need a drill, you need a vitamin bottle, and you need an LED strip. So what you do and it doesn't matter on the drill size, well, the bit size. I'm going to use a kind of a big bit here because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this through the top of the bottle. So here's what you do. You take your bit, go like this, and be very careful at first. Do it slowly at first. There you go. There's a hole in there. So if you have other tools, the other tools would be actually a lot better than this. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So I got to put another hole in there. And be very careful not to hurt yourself. Take that off. So what I want to do here is put the back in here like this. There we go. So now I have my light sort of together. So what you want to do is take your LED strip. This is the part that goes into here like this. Find the cut point. There we go. That's all you're going to need. So now what you want to do is hook it back up like so. And then what you want to do is pull it as close as possible like this. Just like this. Get as close as possible. Then what you want to do is get the stick, the backing, what they call the backing for stickers off. Like this. Like this. And then what you want to do is you want to put it around the top of the lid like this. Just like this. Make sure you don't cover up the threads for the bottle. Right? So now what you do is you put just like this, and this is the way it's supposed to look. So now, if you want to test it, I don't have anything to test here, but I'm going to test it real quick. Okay, it still works. So now what you want to do is you want to get something that's a little smaller and drill holes on the side. Is what you want to do. So now like this. And at some point I will paint this just to make it darker, so that way it'll shine the light better. This video is going to be this project's going to be a two-part series. I'm going to drill the bottom out. Alright, there we go. So this is what this looks like. And I'm actually going to paint the outside of this at some point. I don't know what color. So when I do that, I'll make another video. So this is what it looks like. And my battery just died, but that's okay. There we go. So now what we do, we take this, we put it back on, like so. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to pull something up real quick so that way we could I could show you how this works. So, actually, I could show you. Okay, so I have it aimed at my daily use computer here, as you saw on my other channel, and watch this. Check that out. You have your vitamin bottle light. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.